Welcome, everyone. Today, let's talk about Ansible, a tool that makes automation a breeze. Imagine never having to manually configure servers again. It's open source, simple, and runs playbooks written in YAML. Yes, YAML, not rocket science. And the best part, it doesn't need agents, so no extra headaches. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's face it, manually tweaking files across multiple servers is a nightmare. With Ansible, file modifications are done with efficiency and consistency. No more oops, I forgot to update that server moments. And guess what? It also saves time. You'll finally have weekends back. Now, let's talk about modules, the secret sauce of file modifications. With lineinfile, you can tweak specific lines. Replace helps swap text effortlessly. Blockinfile adds structured content. And File manages attributes. Ansible makes handling files as easy as ordering coffee. Ever needed to ensure a certain line is always present in your config files? Lineinfile is your best friend. Whether adding, modifying, or replacing lines, this module gets the job done. No more frantic server checks just to see if the line is still there. Replace is like a magic eraser for text. Outdated configurations, gone. Need to update a pattern, done. With regex at your disposal, it's a powerful way to keep files up to date without breaking a sweat. Sometimes, you need more than just a single line change. Blockinfile is here to save the day. Insert, modify, or update entire sections with ease. No messy copy-pasting. It's structured and smart, just like an elegant code editor. We've all had that wait. Was that line supposed to be there? Moment. With Ansible, you ensure essential lines exist, stay formatted correctly, and never mysteriously disappear. Think of it as a friendly watchdog. Cleaning up configs is just as important as creating them. With lineinfile and state equals absent, you can remove outdated lines automatically, like spring cleaning, but for your servers. Replacing a line in a file might sound simple, but it can lead to unexpected surprises. First, we need to pinpoint the exact line. Accuracy matters. Command line tools like sed or awk are our best friends here. Before we get too confident, making a backup saves us from regret. And finally, always double-check the changes, because nothing is worse than realizing we've edited the wrong line. Adding a line after a match is like sneaking in a plot twist. It should feel natural. Finding the match is key. We don't want our new line in the wrong spot. Sed and Perl make this task smoother, but we must ensure our formatting stays intact. Before celebrating, testing ensures that our insert doesn't mess up the rest of the file. Configuration files control everything, from Wi-Fi settings to server behavior. Before we start editing, we need to understand the file's structure. Syntax matters. A missing colon can break everything. Always proceed with caution, because one wrong edit can turn a smooth-running system into chaos. And after modifications, restarting services ensures that changes take effect. Messing up a file is easy. Undoing mistakes isn't. That's why backups are our safety net. Using version control helps track changes, so we don't have to rely on memory. Before deploying modifications, verifying changes prevents headaches later. And documenting edits might feel tedious, but trust me, future you will be grateful. File modifications can turn into disasters quickly. Not backing up files, big mistake. Messing up syntax, that's a one-way ticket to troubleshooting chaos. Overriding crucial configurations, oh boy, that's asking for trouble. And forgetting to test after changes, that's just inviting errors to the party. File modifications aren't just theoretical. They power real-world operations. Updating system configs keeps things running smoothly. Automating log rotations saves us from manual cleanup. Tweaking database settings improves performance. And customizing application behavior lets us tailor software to our needs. We've covered a lot, but here's the takeaway. Modifying files is powerful, but caution is key. Double-checking edits, testing changes, and backing up files will save you time and frustration. Practice in safe environments before jumping into production. And keep learning. There's always more to explore. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.